Hello everyone and welcome to another video. As the window to our digital world, the importance of a good monitor is paramount. A lovingly built gaming rig will all be for nothing if the video it produces looks like an oil painting by a pack of monkeys. This isn't a call to go out and blow your next pay package on the latest and greatest, but to serve as a reminder that as gamers, users have options. Plenty of options, and the LG 34UC79G happens to be a unique one specifically for gamers. Boasting high refresh rates built specifically for gaming, this 34-inch monitor opts for the smaller 1080p resolution in favour of native 144Hz performance. LG has sweetened the deal with features such as FreeSync, motion blur reduction and a response time boosts, and offers a great reference point to experience the many monitor advancements available in today's market. However, nowadays most 34-inch models out there will largely support 1440p and 4K, which is undeniably the more attractive for daily use. After all, if you're going for a physically larger screen, you'll certainly want more pixel real estate too. However, LG went for the less popular option, not because they wanted to, but out of necessity. DisplayPort 1.2 simply doesn't have the bandwidth to support higher resolutions beyond 100Hz. Besides, it takes some serious PC hardware to run games at those settings, which I have demonstrated in the video card review showing up in the card in the top right corner round about now. One thing you need to ask yourself is this monitor really for you? Well, if you only play at 1080p, then yes, and while many will be happy from simply surpassing 60Hz, competitive players will value the ability to hit 144Hz benchmark associated with esports. As always, consider what sort of games you mostly play. It comes with no surprise that the LG 35UC79G is on point for movies and first-person view games thanks to the larger field of view. Never have I felt more immersed in a game like Call of Duty and Forza Motorsport before. It is no exaggeration when I tell you it was like being in the game itself. The only downfall that I found with the LG 35UC79G was it being an IPS panel. It needs to reach a certain response time to adequately support the high refresh rates, although it performs fine for the most part. Though at a maximum 144Hz limit, I did see a moderate amount of ghosting with the simplest of movements, much less than fast-paced turns and spins of competitive gameplay. While this improves once the response time is set to fast, the issue is still noticeable. Although it wouldn't put me off, it may some other people. Although lowering the refresh rate to 120 or 100Hz cleans up the picture quality considerably, though that doesn't mean that the monitor has less of an edge in the debate between frame rates and resolution. While this drops esports enthusiasts from the equation, the monitor is still a very good option for a large majority of gamers, mostly due to its aspect ratio, slightly higher refresh rate, ease of use, and design and build quality. Having two USB ports being perfect to plug in your PC via HDMI and let's say your Sky TV or your games console in at the same time makes this monitor even more attractive. Two USB 3.0 ports for peripherals or maybe a mobile phone charger. As before mentioned, a display port for your PC opens the door for even more connectivity for extra devices, which is something I personally look for. Having only a small area to work in, I look for an all-in-one monitor solution, and this hits the nail bang on the head for me. So being priced at an eye-watering £616.81 at the time of this video, I would say that there is now newer and cheaper options available, but not necessarily as good. But the LG 34UC79G gets a gold from me because I feel as though it is a serious viable option for most gamers, and I think to find a quality assured refurbished unit at a good price really shouldn't be overlooked. Well, that's all we have time for today, I'm afraid. So if you did like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and feel free to hit the dislike button if you didn't enjoy it, but why not subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. So until then, Take care and bye bye.